Hi loves, welcome to my channel and it's your girl Ellajeen. In this video, I'm going to share with you some mistakes I made in 2024 that I won't repeat in 2025 on my YouTube channel. Let's go. Number one, not being consistent. I know. In 2024, I came on here to say I was going to stay consistent and all that, and boom, I vanished for some months and I wasn't posting because I had a breakdown. But that shouldn't be it. I've learned my lesson. I realized that when you are consistent, you grow a following, you grow a community. And once you go off, everyone forgets about you. Your content is not being pushed out there. And that's it. Everything just goes down. It's like you are building something and it just crashes. So I've learned that in this 2025, I'm going to stay consistent. I'm going to try to stick to my schedule and post when I can. As I've said, I stick to it every Saturday, once a week. I believe that's what I can, coupling with the fact that I work a full-time job and I school as well. So once a week is a cool deal for me. That brings me to number two. I've learned to bulk create. Previously, I wasn't doing that. I'll just create the content for the following week. I'll create it and all that. But now I've learned to bulk create and bulk edit. Like I earlier said, I work full-time. I'm a student and I do YouTube as well. So I need to find the days I'm off, come up with content ideas, brainstorm, then bulk create the content, then find another day that I'm off duty, off school, and all that to edit. I think that makes it easier and it reduces the burnout. Because at times YouTube can be so draining when you have to brainstorm, come up with ideas, shoot, edit, upload, then you start worrying about views and all that. That leads me to point number three, the mistake number three I was making last year. So last year I was so focused on views. I was focused on views, how many views I've gotten, to the point that even when someone dislikes my content, I'll be so sad and so mad. Like, why would the person dislike it? If you hate it that much, just scroll, don't watch, just move, don't even dislike it, don't like it, just go. But in 2025, I've come to the realization that not everyone is going to like your content. People wouldn't do. If they like, they're going to like. Some people would even like it, but still dislike it or leave funny comments. That shouldn't get to me. It shouldn't change who I am. I should still be who I am. So in 2025, I am going to create the content consistently. I'm going to stick to my schedule, which is once weekly on Saturdays, and I'm not going to focus on views. I know once the content and once it reaches the people that it's supposed to reach, they are going to watch and our community is going to grow. And that leads me to the other point, the other mistake I was making. Why was I not paying attention to my analytics? So YouTube and analytics is like rice and stew or frog and jumping, right? So why wasn't I paying attention to my analytics? So that's one mistake that I made, and I believe other small YouTubers out there are also making. Your analytics should be your Bible when it comes to YouTube. So your analytics will show you what your viewers are watching, what your viewers are into, what they really like, and all that. You get to know or your audience, where they are watching from, the type of content they watch outside your channel, how long they watched it, the kind, and you can tell from your content which content they reacted to well. Then you can repurpose it. I wasn't repurposing my content as well. There's one content that really went well on my channel and I just let it go. I didn't repurpose it. I was supposed to come up with other subtopics, like talk about that topic, talk about it till I exhaust it. But I didn't. That's one mistake I also made on my YouTube channel, which I am not going to repeat in 2025. Another thing is relying on family and friends. Let me tell you, YouTube is like running a business, okay? You running a business, you shouldn't rely on your family and friends. Don't expect your family and friends to purchase from you always, because you'll be disappointed. When you are creating, unless whatever you are creating is just for your family and friends, that's fine. But consider people outside. Consider what you would search for, what you would want to see outside. That's what you should. And don't expect those close to you to like, comment, share, and do all that. Funny enough, it will be those distant, those you don't even know, who will be commenting on your post, who will be liking and sharing your YouTube videos. So these are the lessons I've learned from my YouTube journey in 2024. So after I got monetized, yes, if you don't know, my channel is now monetized. We got monetized last year and we're still working on it. I know I've not made much, but we are still working on it. So some of the mistakes I'm not ready and I wouldn't repeat them in 2025. And community posts. I read previous years I wasn't really engaging in community posts, but this year I'm going to be posting using my community tab. I'm going to utilize it. I'm going to post. I'm going to engage in whatever my community members post out there. I'm going to comment, reply to comments. I'm going to have conversations in the comment section. I'll get to know my subscribers, and they will also get to know me, as well as other YouTubers out there. Whenever I come across any post that I feel is good and all that, I'm going to comment on it, leave a comment, leave a like. It doesn't cost much. It's not going to take extra data from me to share the love that I have with others on YouTube as well. And I'll try my best in this year. I wasn't collaborating, and I'm not sure I've even done a collaboration with any other content creator or YouTuber on my channel before. It's always been my friends and family. But this year, one of it. I'm going to engage, do that collaboration, reach out to some few people around here and see if we can do a collaboration. Because doing that is going to introduce my audience to her and her audience to me. We're going to reach a wider audience, and that's the whole thing about YouTube. Yeah, so these are it. And I'm going to use, there is this creator that I've been watching, Kelechi Bemena. I don't know if I'm getting the name wrong. She's a Nigerian YouTuber. She created a form, something that I started, right? A YouTube, you use it to create your YouTube goals, you write your scheduling, topics. So it helps you to plan. So you already, it's like your blueprint to your channel. So you know whatever you're going to do in the year. The only thing I tweaked is the calendar, which I made in 2025. I'm going to have another detailed video of me filling that and letting you know what I plan to do in this year as well. So these are the things that I'm going to change from my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to make an impact for me to have a successful 2025 journey on YouTube as a small content creator. Not forgetting starting live. I know the last time I went on live, I gained a lot of subscribers because there was a show and I had to, oh, let me go on live. And that was it. Boom. Everything changed. That was when my YouTube life changed. But since then, I've not been on live again. Maybe I'll try adding that to my schedule, maybe once a month or something, to interact with my audience. So these are the things, mistakes that I made in 2024 that I'm not ready to make in 2025 because I believe it's going to harm my channel should I do that. And as a small YouTuber out there, you can pick one or two from my mistakes and the lessons that I've learned so far from my YouTube journey. Thank you for watching. It's been me, your girl Ellajeen. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can share for other friends to also listen to whatever I said. Thank you all. I love you. It's your girl Ellajeen.